So, in 1986, I got my first car, an 81 Turbo Trans Am, my favorite car of all time. I still dream about it. I've always wanted one, but never took the time or effort to get one. Too busy getting Teslas. But anyway, this I decided would solve all my problems. Not only do I have a motorcycle, which I used to love to ride, but I also have the Bandit look to it, and it gives you the feel and everything just like it, and it's just so much fun to drive. And so it's full circle evolved for me, back to what I've always wanted. Well, Dave and I know each other from high school. That's Eagles High School, and he's been a great guy. He's wrapped my Tesla. He's done all my tinted windows. They've all come out perfectly, and I've just enjoyed his company. And his attention to detail is unbelievable. This car is 10 times better than I thought it would ever look. I mean, I had a vision too, and this is way exceeds my vision. So he knows what he's doing. Absolutely. I think I turned that Tesla out of white, ex-Tesla, and I've now turned it into a psychedelic color flip. And it turns heads, and it's just much, much better, and I enjoy the car much better. Oh yeah, you need to use SRS. Dave is the best guy on the planet. Just ask him, he will tell you. And so they are very, very detailed and very good at what they do. Highly recommend them.